The Fortune Teller by Lioba Brückner in 40 by 53 cm rounds, special treatment version 1, starts with Periwinkle Pearls that we have sprinkled on the darker blue areas of her hair. So over here we've got the lighter blue areas, which is right over here. We sprinkle it on the darker blue areas where you see the periwinkle beads. This is for version 1 of the Fortune Teller. The Fortune Teller in 40 by 53 cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds Lightening Diamonds that we have filled in for her necklace right over here. So simply follow the necklace and replace the regular beads you're given for this section. Aside from that, we've also filled in this section, the blue gem dangling from the jewel on her forehead with some ice crystals. So simply replace the beads that you would normally get for this section with your ice crystals and you will get this effect. This is version 2 of the Fortune Teller. The Fortune Teller by Lioba Brückner in 40 by 53 cm rounds, special treatment version 3 now adds electric diamonds that we have filled in for the stars on her cheeks. Aside from that, we've also filled in the round jewel on her head with the electric diamonds. So for version 3, we basically do a special treatment all focusing on the woman. We've got for version 1, Periwinkle Pearls sprinkled on the darker blue areas of her hair. Version 2 is Lightning Diamonds for her necklace, together with ice crystals for this gem in between her eyes. And then finally for version 3, we've got electric diamonds for the stars on her cheeks, as well as this sphere, this round jewel that she has on her head.